In this video, we'll walk you through our design plan and share our ideas for creating a perfect dark and moody home office.
Be sure to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming episodes of this one room challenge.
The inspiration for this office all stemmed from a dark and moody room we did for my brother and his wife above their garage. And he picked a black pink color for the walls and the ceiling, and we really love how it sets off his photography, and the whole look and feel of the room is just cozy and warm. In this space, we get to start with a blank slate, which is always fun because then the design plan has so many possibilities. Here on this wall, we plan to put a large desk, and we want to also incorporate box molding on this wall and carry that throughout the entire room. We love that traditional and elegant feel of a paneled room. Now, if you've been following us for a while now, you know we love to add built-ins into our rooms. And you'll find our trademark built-ins in my mudroom, our basement family room, our daughter's bedroom, our reading nook, and my parents' family room. Not only do they add a lot of storage, but we also love that added architectural detail. And in this moody office design, we will keep the room fairly monochromatic with the built-in bookshelves the same color as the walls. And over on this wall, we plan to put a lounge chair, and we want to incorporate leather chairs for this space to bring in that masculine cigar lounge feel for this space. And the back wall will have a large walk-in closet, which will have more than enough storage space. And here's a sneak peek at some of the finishes and textiles that we plan to use in this dark and moody office. Here are a few more ideas for creating a dark and moody room from some of our blogging friends. So a huge thanks to them for letting us share their ideas. So we love this black wall in Julia's dining room, and we also love the high contrast of the black and white along with the natural wood finish. But a dark and moody room doesn't necessarily need to be black. Just take a look at this rich and earthy green in Morgan's room. And we like the rich blue from Amanda's room. It's so warm and inviting. And again, this picture frame molding in her room has that traditional feel that we want to add to this office. Be sure to check back in next Wednesday as we tackle the built-in around the window, and you can see our little tricks to getting this done on a budget.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you were able to take away a few ideas you can implement in your own home. Be sure to leave a comment below and let us know which element in the room you are most excited to see. And while you're down there, give us a like and share this video with a friend to help our channel grow.
And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.